If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in PUBG and want to disable it, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you navigate the settings to turn off voice chat effectively. Step 1. Launch PUBG. Open the PUBG game on your device. Wait for the game to load completely until you reach the main menu. Step 2. Access settings. From the main menu, look for the gear icon or settings option. Click on it to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 3. Navigate to audio settings. In the settings menu, find the audio tab. Click on it to access the audio settings related to voice chat and other sound options. Step 4. Disable voice chat. Within the audio settings, locate the option for voice chat. Toggle the setting to off to disable voice chat functionality in the game. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling voice chat, ensure you save your changes. Look for a save button or simply exit the settings menu, which may prompt you to save. By following these steps, you should be able to disable voice chat in PUBG without any hassle. If you continue to experience issues, consider checking for game updates or reinstalling the game.